Finally, we got a unit for the tall guys. This might be the most unique floor plan of any fifth wheel we have on the lot. It's a 2023 Montana High Country 377 FL. We're actually going to skip past this first entrance and head all the way around the back because we have two entrances on this thing. This model also has a ton of exterior storage. We got more around the back here, right next to your ladder. That'll go up to your fully walkable roof. Check your solar and your caulk up here, or you can just hang out. Coming around the other corner here, we'll find our rear entrance. We're going to head up in there. And our first stop is actually going to be the master bedroom. We have a big old king bed in this thing. To the right of that, we have this massive mirrored wardrobe. Wowie zowie. Motion sensor light and a ton of space in there. Above the bed on either side, you have a hidden nightstand. I get a lot of complaints about these RVs not having nightstands. They're just hidden. And to the left of the bed, in this here little closet, we have stackable washer and dryer prep. Wowie zowie. You also have a spot to mount a TV if you please. We're gonna head up these stairs to the right and we're gonna go into our spacious loft for those kiddos. Plenty of space in this loft. I can almost sit up all the way. On the ceiling here, you'll see we have USB ports, outlets, and we have those on either side and a spot to mount a TV. Let's check out the rest of this camper. Our next stop is gonna be right around this corner into our bathroom. We got a noise vanity, spacious standing shower. This is for them tall guys. Most of these RV showers stop about here in height. This one should have enough clearance for anyone up to 9 feet tall. Next, let's check out the kitchen and living area. Holy guacamole, this thing is nice. We have an insanely spacious kitchen here with a ton of cupboard space. Little accent light, make it extra spicy around this bar area. This booth dinette right behind also has some sweet accent lighting. Looks like the Millennium Falcon in here. And we can switch this over to sleeping for two if we like. Boom, now you got sleeping for two here. We got a nice big double door fridge, a ton of cupboard space over here as well. Let's go on up into this front living. We're gonna head up these stairs, and this front living will have you living like Larry. Dual theater recliners with cup holders sitting directly across from your electric fireplace. You got a huge front cap windshield, and this thing is standing right behind where your TV is gonna be. Bada bing, now you got your huge smart TV up front. Both of these couches here will convert into sleepers. Boom, and now the entire front of this thing has been converted into a Megazord sleeper sofa.